Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and today we're gonna take this paper pad that I broke down probably a few episodes ago, and I didn't feel like making page kits or anything out of it, and I think I want to do that today. Let's have a look what's in here. So when I break down a paper pad, I like to try and make as many kits as I can using just the kit, like just the paper pad, just because I'm lazy, but if we need to, we can always pull from my stash. And then the other step that I like to do is kind of sort them into colors, or if I'm going to use them as inspiration, or I always put the cut apart separate, or anything I think I could use as embellishments. Oh, and anything that I could use as a background. So lots of options. So let me just flip through this really quickly, fast forward it if you will, and then I'll come back and we'll start making kits. Okay, so these are the four main patterns that I would consider kit starters. I have two of each. I've got more of my solid kind of colors here to the left, and then I have a few backgrounds, the grid and then the wood grain. And as far as embellishments go, I have cut aparts and these houses, because these would be pretty easy to trim out and use as embellishments. Obviously you could use them as a kit starter as well. So I'm thinking I'd like to pair this yellow with this particular floral, and I would also like to pair it with this one. Let's put those aside. We're not done with them, but you know, we got to go with first things first. Now, do I want to pair it with this, or do I want to pair it with this? To be honest, I like both of them, so let's pair the first one with the green, and let's take the second one and pair that with this kind of browny color. And I'm thinking maybe this green, or should we pair it with this one? I like it with that one. Maybe this geometric with this floral. And now these last ones. The problem I have with these is they are geometric, and a lot of these patterns are geometric, which is, in and of itself is not a bad thing. It just makes it a little bit harder to use, I think. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this. I'm just going to put these aside for now. Okay, what else can we pair? So we've got the dark green. I could pair it with that. Yeah, let's go with that. Or should we do the wood grain? No, I think I like it better with that. So we'll call this one done. So this is the one that I paired with the green. Text looks pretty good, but these two are both text, so I'm not sure that I love that. What about if we pair it with... Nope, I think it needs to be a little more peachy. No, I'm not liking that either. Okay, let's go. What about black? Too dark? I think I like that. That is the combo. Okay, so this next one we've got the floral and the dark brown, and I think we can do geometric. Yeah, and this one actually, let's do the geometric with this one. Yeah, we'll do geometric with that one. And on this one we'll do the stripe. You're probably wondering I switched that out. The reason why I didn't want to do this stripe with this is because this already looks like a stripe. So the geometric, I think, gives it a little bit more variety. And this one with the yellow. I like that one with the wood grain. Let's go with that. Now this one we can do with the text. Yeah, I like that. Now, there was a floral in here, a black and white floral. And I'm thinking, do we want to pair this with anything? And maybe go monochromatic? I think adding the gray in just breaks it up a little bit. There is some gray in there. Okay, give that a try. Okay, let's look at the cut aparts. Maybe we'll make a kit out of those instead of adding them to the other kits. Maybe this floral. I think we needed that green. Yeah, I think that one looks good. If nothing else, we can always add another cut apart that we don't have. But let's just hold off on that because this is five sheets. So let's just see where we end up. Like that with the pink. What else? Maybe this floral. Yeah, I like that too. It's in this pattern, so that's kind of nice. I could pair it with this, but I'm thinking maybe the hexagon. And maybe that one as well. Do we want to add anything else? No, I think we're going to live with that. Okay, we still got 3 sheets left. What about pairing this one with the houses and maybe that cut apart and the pink floral. Yeah, I'm liking that. And what about the words? There's some of the text print in the houses. Yeah, I think I like that too. And we've got one left. So we've got this page, background page. I like that. What else? This floral. You can't go wrong with a floral, right? I'm telling myself. Don't really see a lot of gray in there, but I am seeing this stripe. Am I loving this? I think, let's get rid of this stripe. Leave those 2. And maybe this pink. do this for now. I don't know if it's my favorite, but we'll go with it. And, you know, if over time I don't ever use it, I can always dismantle it. And then the rest of these are just going to go in my neutral section. So that went pretty quick. I'm pretty happy with these. How many kits did I get? 11. Let me know what your favorite kit was, if you would have done anything different. I'd like to hear your thoughts. And thank you so much for sticking around till the end. Until next time, happy crafting.